Richard. Welcome back to another edition of Ask Richard. I'm happy to be here with you. So today we have a question that came in on the YouTube channel from Janine. And Janine is asking, why can we help other people to heal? And then when I do it for myself, it seems like it doesn't work as well.
Yeah, it's a very, very common experience that we are familiar with our own energy. It's like putting the same water through the same pipes. It's like giving yourself a gift. I've used this example many times. If you went out and selected the most beautiful gift wrapped it perfectly, waited for the perfect moment, and then gave it to yourself, it's not a surprise. But when somebody else gives you that gift, oh my God, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. That's such a beautiful gift. We don't recognize our own energy isn't a surprise to ourselves. That's not to say you can't work on yourself. I work on myself all the time. And by the way, running energy through yourself clearly slows the aging process. We did a meeting with Jennifer, Henry, and Deborah Gare, and myself, and none of us looks our age at all. And in a week, I'm going to be 76. And I don't feel anything. I mean, I'm stronger than I was in my 20s and 30s. And I don't feel age. So we can do amazing things with the energy, but it isn't as dramatic for most people. I remember I got in trouble one time. I was teaching a workshop and I said, yeah, working on yourself is often not as fast, easy, fun, or powerful. And then half the class was saying, what are you talking about? How dare you? I'm able to do amazing things with myself and I can move my own bones around. I go, oh, really? Well, it doesn't work out well for me. It's like, yes, I founded this thing, but it doesn't make me the best. Okay. Just like the Wright brothers weren't the best pilots. Just because they got the first airplane off the ground didn't mean that they were the great pilots. And just because I'm introducing quantum touch to the world doesn't mean that I have some special magic energy abilities. I'm just the guy who brought it forward. And so some people, this is not true. You will be able to work just as well on yourself as you can with other people. And some people like me, yeah, it's not fun, fast, and easy and effective on myself as I can work on another person. So the answer is maybe. You're going to be able to have a lot of success over time. But if you run energy through yourself, it's a self-healing thing. And I'm going to be teaching a workshop in October, mid-October, on becoming ageless. And I'm working with Deborah Gare. So what we're seeing is just basic quantum touch is affecting the aging process. But now we're pulling all the stops to bring the energy up to higher levels than we've ever taken it before. You can work on yourself, but some people more effectively than others.
Great. Thank you, Richard. And thank you to Janine for submitting that question. I would say I'm one of those people who loves running the energy on myself. I really, really love it. I find it's very, very effective and it just makes me feel good. But I know that other people have had different experiences. And I would say, Janine, keep it up. You're doing a great job. And as Richard said, there's other benefits as well that we're just discovering and offering in the workshops that are coming up. So thank you, Richard, and thank you, Janine. See you on the next edition of Ask Richard.